Just give me 7 days. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually launch your digital product that you can actually sell out on all platforms online just with your mobile phone. Right, so I welcome you to a 7-day digital product automation challenge. This challenge has been accepted, right, and within 7 days I'm going to be breaking it down and show you how you can actually launch your own digital product as a newbie or beginner. Right, and this is a detailed step-by-step guide where I'm going to be breaking it down in simple detailed format for you to actually follow through and implement. All right, and in this 7-day challenge we're going to be doing only 7 simple steps. All right, so the step 1, which is the one of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you the foundation and also the niche selection that you can actually go into right now for your digital product to actually sell out in 2026. All right, the 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create this particular product with the help of AI. Not saturated product. I'm going to be showing you top trending product right now, low competitive product that people are actually paying for. Right, and the step 3, which is the 3 of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up your auto selling system. This is going to simply work for you whether you're using a mobile phone or desktop. Okay, and the 4 of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you free traffic sources where you can actually get real buyers to your product and how you can actually launch your product strategically for it to actually sell out to the right people. And in the 5 of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually optimize your product for higher conversion and also higher sale. Okay, in the 6 of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually scale up with email marketing, AI tools, which I'm going to be revealing in this very challenge. And in the 7 of this very challenge, which is the final step, I'm going to be breaking it down and show you how you can actually set up your Facebook ad, cheap Facebook ad to promote your product and also increase your sales coupled with the free traffic you're getting already. Okay, so if you're ready for this very challenge, I want you to stay locked in and also subscribe to this very channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and let me know where you're watching from. And let's get into the first day of this very challenge, which is the day 1. So in this day 1, we're going to be talking about the foundation and niche selection of your digital product. Okay, and this is the foundation that you have to simply lay out well for this to actually work out for you. Right, and in this day 1, I'm going to be doing only 4 simple steps. In step 1, I'm going to be showing you why digital product matters most in 2026 right now. Okay, and the step 2, I'm going to be showing you the criteria for choosing a profitable niche right now that can actually sell out for you. Right, and the step 3, life needs research, the platform that you can actually use to research your product. Step 4, which is the final step, I'm going to be showing you 5 hot digital product categories right now you can actually focus on. Without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. All right, I'm going to be using Gumroad for this whole challenge. Okay, because it is worldwide. Wherever you are watching from, you can actually utilize Gumroad and sell out your product. And I'm also going to be showing you the product that are working very well right here on Gumroad. Okay, this is one of my Gumroad accounts and all of the steps right here has been completed. Okay, you can see this is one of the products I created, and this product I created this particular product when we're doing our AdMob challenge. So I'm going to be showing you how I set all of this up. Okay, so I'm not here to just tell you about me. I'm going to be showing you how you can also do the same thing for yourself. Okay, for instance, if you want to buy a mobile phone right now, this is a product as well. Most of the people that sell mobile phone also place it online. Okay, so when you see a mobile phone online, that doesn't mean that the mobile phone is a digital product. Okay, so this is a physical product being sold digitally online. Okay, but there are many digital products that we're talking about are the ones you might not actually see physically. All right, you cannot actually touch them, which means we are not going to be handling shipping. Most of your digital products, you can see them as softwares, all right, as PDF. You can see them as online courses, WP, that is WordPress plugins. All right, you can see them as ebook or Chrome extension. All right, digital product that you can actually sell out online without physical contact, without address, without shipping, without inventory, and a lot of that. Okay, I hope you've already understood what digital product is all about. Okay, why digital product matters right now in 2026. There is zero inventory cost. Okay, it is 100% automated delivery. All right, which means once people purchase, automatically they are going to simply get it instantly, even while you are sleeping. All right, it has infinite scalability, which means it has a long-time scalability, which means you're not going to be running out of stock. For instance, this mobile phone, you might see it today and tomorrow they will tell you that this mobile phone is no more in the market. All right, but your digital product you created today, people will keep buying them every single time, and there are AI tools that can actually make the creation of this digital product very more swift and also faster for you. This is a one-person kind of business that you can actually run for yourself. Okay, even if you don't have desktop, mobile phone is enough for you. Okay, so that's why I told you to stick to the end part of this very challenge. We just have only 7 days to go about this. Okay, 3 criteria for profitable niche. For you to select your profitable niche, you have to measure number one, that it solve a painful problem, okay? And number two, you have to make sure you target audience that are actively buying all of these things online. You don't just wake up and create a product without making research, okay? Another criteria for choosing a particular niche is for you to make sure that you can actually deliver unique value inside of that particular niche, okay? Don't just pick a niche because it's trending. Pick a niche because you've already studied it and you understand what the niche is all about, okay? And you can actually deliver, all right? For instance, this particular product that I created here, this is part of my niche, okay? I created this product and I got 54 sales, all right? And this is it right here. Right now we're going to be making our own niche research. So remember, this particular 7 days challenge, we're not going to be doing much talking. We're going to be showing workings, all right? There are 4 steps right here. We're going to be using the Gumroad trending page, number 1, and we can actually use ST digital bestseller, right? Because you're focusing on Gumroad, which is one of the best when you talk about 1% digital product business, right? So there are other platforms you can actually use to sell out your product, which I'm also going to be showing you in the day 2, okay? We're going to be using AI tools to make the research and also the Google trend, okay? So firstly, the Gumroad trending page. So all you need to do is simply head over to this very page right now. Go to gumroad.com, all right, /discover. This is it right here. And you have various categories of product you can actually sell out. We have the drawing and painting, 3D designs, music, sound, film, and lots more. There are lots of them right here, okay? All you need to do right now is to actually pick the ones that are trending, okay? And even before you pick the ones that are trending, you have to also validate it. I'm also going to be showing you how you can validate that, okay? You click on this trending right now, you're going to see the products that are trending. Most of these products are ebook, PDF, zip files, mp4. The highest type of product you can actually sell here are the PDF, okay? So you can see under PDF we have over 10,185 products under it. One of the platforms that I recommend you use is the AI tool for Gumroad product research, okay? And this is the tool that allows you to actually discover the right product. If you come over to this research, you're going to see you can actually discover most of the trending products on Gumroad, okay? And you can actually sort by topic. You can type your own topic right here. You can sort by fast growing, less competitive, or most profitable, right? So I want the fast growing ones, okay? So remember, if it is fast growing, it means there are a lot of people buying it. The analytics and the graph is actually scaling up gradually, okay? If you come over to this section, you're going to see time range. The time range, I normally select 3 months, okay? Because I want something that has been trending for so long and is still trending, all right? Not something that can actually trend today and tomorrow it will die off. That's not what we want, and that's not the type of product I want you to build. So this is prefab, and the Unity 3D, we have 652 products under it, okay? We have 3D models. So these are the top selling products right now with lower competition, and also they are rising. There are few people creating products on these niches, okay? We have AI prompt, okay? People are actually selling AI prompt, okay? You can see the graph is actually going high just right now in 2026 February. So all you need to do is simply pick any of them right here. For me, I think I prefer the AI prompt, okay? You can see right here, this is the full graph for that particular AI graph, and the product are selling massively well. You can see these are the product right here, 100k plus ChatGPT prompt, okay, for premium all-in-one bundle, which means there are 100,000 prompts in this particular ebook, okay? This is the price of the product right here, okay? But the final part of you making your keyword research is to actually use Google Trend, okay? So remember, there is Google Trend right here. If you search for Google Trends here, you're going to see most of the times this particular trends section is not going to give you what you want, okay? All of the things you want, okay? So you're going to simply install this particular Chrome extension. This is a Chrome extension. If you come here, this is Glimpse, all right? So this Glimpse right now is a Chrome extension that's going to simply fine tune and also enhance your Google trend, okay? See, these are the stuff that are trending right now, and these are the years. So if you come over to this section and add AI prompts, then click on the search button. Some people find it difficult to actually construct real prompt, okay? So they end up buying this prompt pack. It has over 1.1 million searches per month, okay? As AI tools are dropping every single day, so are the prompts. So if you scroll down, you're going to see these are the questions people are asking. So you can see the ones that are trending in the last 14 days, okay? So you can actually pick any of them and make a product about them, and stay tuned for the next strategy, which is the day 2 of creating this particular product, okay? So remember, before we go, I'm going to be giving you 5 hot digital product categories, so that if you're picking, you have to make sure that your product or digital product niche is under this particular category, okay? AI prompt libraries and template, okay? Productivity template, okay? You can make product about social media content, calendar, and template, all right? Digital planners, and journals, educational mini courses and guide. Okay, so all of these things are digital product categories that are actually trending right now. I've already picked my own niche. Go ahead and use this particular platform right now and pick your own niche. When you pick your niche, just let me know in the comment section, and in the two of this very challenge, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your product with the help of AI, how you can design it, and package it for sales. Okay, and also don't forget to join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel for most of the prompt that I'm going to be dropping on this website, and also the prompt and all of that and the resources. Just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be giving it out so you can actually use it and make your own research and get this done for you. Okay, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. See you in the day 2 of this very challenge.